coffee chocolate walnut cake. Start with combining some hot milk with instant coffee powder. Mix and set this aside. In another bowl, combine yogurt, baking soda, vanilla extract, sugar, oil. Mix. Now shift wheat flour and baking powder. Add some chopped walnuts. And then goes our coffee mixture. Without overmixing, bring the batter together and transfer them into a greased baking pan. Top it with some walnuts. Fan bake in preheated oven 180° for 30 to 35 minutes. Once cool, take it out from the pan. For glaze, pour melted chocolate all over it. Refrigerate for half an hour to settle down. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Try making your own coffee chocolate walnut cake and enjoy!